Do you want to grow your Instagram account by up to 10,000 followers per month? In this video, I'm going to share with you all the steps needed that will guarantee you growth. I have used these exact techniques for hundreds of other accounts and they have worked every single time. So if you want to start growing your account today, let's dive in and I'll show you exactly how to achieve this, making sure you keep your eyes out for the top tip at the end of this video. This step is the most crucial as it will set the tone for your entire page. A professional, well put together page gives users the instant opinion that you or your brand are professional. The good thing is, it's so easy to do with tools like Canva. If you take a look at the Happy News Company, this is a great example of a well designed and put together page. No matter how far you scroll, you still feel like it's all part of the same brand. They have achieved this by setting a brand identity and a colour scheme that works well together. If you head over to Canva's colour palette, you can simply enter a colour that you wish to use and Canva will instantly come back with matching colours that complement each other. You can then use these colours as part of your brand identity. I recommend you set up a range of templates in Canva. You can then use these on your page. You then can quickly swap out a review cover or quote, not having to design anything from scratch. Just make sure you keep adding to the templates to keep the variety within the page. Now that you have your brand image, you need to know what types of content to post. As much as you like to believe, spending hours on a video that you're super proud of is not going to get you 10,000 likes instantly. Instagram is all about algorithms and tapping into that algorithm is key for success. As you start posting more frequently, you'll start getting the signs from Instagram about what's working. You will see this in engagement and it's important that you recognise this and try and make more types of content similar. Before this though, you need to look at other accounts similar to your brand for inspiration. Look through their feeds and find images or videos that have high engagement rates. The key to this though is not to take inspiration from anything further back than 60 days, but ideally 30. You need to remember that what worked for them a year ago won't work for you now. Trends change constantly, so getting inspiration from recent posts gives you the highest chance of success. Your Instagram bio should quickly capture attention and compel new visitors to follow. It should be short, precise, and clearly state what you offer and why you're worth following. Whatever you do not use your bio to try and sell to your visitors. You need to gain the trust of your audience and try to bring them into your page. You need to remember also that the bio is another great way to include keywords that are going to be picked up by Instagram's algorithm. The first line should describe what your page or business is about. The second is value. The potential follower needs to know what your page is about and why to follow you. Lastly, call to action. This should be aimed at getting them to follow. Use things like join the gang, come and join the community, make them feel like they're going to be part of something. No matter the size of your account, whether it's 100 or 100,000 followers, focusing on your niche is key. For example, take this children-themed Instagram page. It displays related content on both the Explore page and Reels, which massively streamlines the process of creating content. Just by liking and saving content within your niche, Instagram gradually tailors your Explore feed to reflect your niche, turning your account into a powerful tool for content inspiration. Let's take a look at this children's theme page. If you go to the magnifying glass, which is the Explore page, or the Reels, you will see that it's only showing content similar to what they post now. This way, anytime they need content, hashtags or captions, they can get inspiration with a click of a button. You can also get trending audios which you know are working right now, as they're on the Explore page for your niche, and you can literally do this with any type of Instagram account. All you need to do for a few days is like and save content around your niche. After a while, the Explore page will show you more and more of this type of content. Just make sure you avoid using your Instagram account as a personal account. Only concentrate on your niche. Once you start liking random other content, your results will be mixed, which we'll definitely want to avoid here. If you want to succeed on Instagram, you have to be using trending audios. Instagram is all about what is already working. By simply tapping the reel, you can click on the audio at the bottom, and if you see an arrow pointing up, this means the audio in the reel is trending. After you click the audio, it will show all other reels using the same audio. However, if you click on the above arrow, it will show you all other trending audios for you to use. These are all the tracks you want to be using for your content. You can easily bookmark also anything that you wish to use later. You just need to press use audio. A great tip on this is if you download a reel with trending audio that you want to use, just pop it into your video editor, strip out the audio and make your content fit to the audio perfectly. Then when you go back to Instagram, you can post your content using trending audio that will be optimized perfectly. Instagram's new feature, polls within captions, can dramatically boost engagement. They offer a simple way for your audience to respond to your content, making engagement and interaction quick and easy. Polls can build a connection with your audience members by inviting users to interact on a low effort basis. It takes minimal effort to vote on a poll, so users are a lot more likely to take action. Users will also be motivated to share their opinions on a question, subject when they're invited to. Write in your caption as you would normally using hashtags. Tap the poll button underneath where you want to write the caption. Insert your voting options in the available slots. You can use up to 4 options here. Publish and wait for your audience to cast their votes. Your audience members will tap the word vote, which is found underneath the caption once tapped. The voting options will appear and then they can cast their vote. Here are a few great ideas for you to get started with caption polls. Why not ask your audience to help with a decision? You could ask for their thoughts on different designs, colours, flavours or outfits for instance. Ask them which product they would prefer or more likely to use or buy. Or just ask them a simple question. Will you want more free time? Using Instagram's built-in effects could seriously increase your visibility. Just like trending audios, you can use these effects to tap into what's currently trending. To add an effect, simply press the stars icon at the top of your screen. This will give you a menu with all the filters you can use. If you click on the search bar, it will tell you which filters are popular, so always use one of these. The good thing is, most filters do not change your content much, so you can add a filter without affecting the look of your video. Captions play a huge role in increasing discoverability of your post, and the first few words of your caption are critical, as these are what your audience sees before clicking read more. It's so important you've done your research here and you know your audience. Then you have a caption that suits the ideal audience. Should it be long, short, emojis, no emojis? It's crucial that you know this. For instance, using emojis can increase Instagram's engagement rates by up to 48% with the right audience. So if you know that audience and you can use them, why not do so? Always begin with an intriguing statement, question or fact that entices your audience to read the rest of the caption. Secondly, describe your story, give the advice or get to the statement. Again, this should be precise and to the point. Remember, your captions are also placed to put keywords, so when you're describing your post, make sure you use words that can be picked up by Instagram's algorithm. Lastly, add a call to action, like follow for more content, double tap if you agree, comments below, or hit the link in the bio. These are all great examples of CTAs. Finally, always include hashtags. Hashtags aren't what they used to be, but they still matter. By using relevant hashtags in your captions, you can expand the reach of your content and attract new followers who are searching for specific topics of interest. I suggest treating these more like keyword research. So research what hashtags are going to get used for your niche and start adding them into your post. I like to use 1 to 2 branded hashtags custom to you, 2 to 3 general industry niche ones, and then 2 to 3 specific to hashtags that are content about your post. This is a big one, guys. Always stay clear of purchasing fake followers at all cost. It might be tempting to boost your follower count quickly with someone that is offering 1,000 Instagram followers for little money, but Instagram knows what you're doing. Instagram actively combats this and removes accounts involved in buying followers. Fake followers are typically bots anyway, not real users, and they won't engage genuinely with your content and convert into customers. Your reputation takes a hit and you have a risk of losing the trust with your real audience, leading them to unfollow you. If you want to build a loyal audience that will buy into your brand, do it the right way. Recently, I've been using the comment automation tool called ManyChat to help audiences learn about my content. Whether it's a giveaway, event, product, launch, or an article, a comment automation tool will set up a conversation with your account's DM, which feels more personal than a comment thread. I hope you enjoyed this video, and make sure you like, comment, and subscribe for more videos just like this.